In this video, we'll discuss regarding trespass to goods, its very meaning and the very forms of trespass. So, the very meaning or trespass to goods, the thought of trespass to goods takes place wherever there an actual taking of or direct and immediate damage to another person's goods. Trespass is an unlawful disturbance of the possession of goods by seizure or removal or by direct act causing damage to the goods. An action for trespass shall also lie for taking or injuring domiciled and tame animals. It may take numerous forms such as throwing stone on a car, shooting birds, or beating animals, or infecting them with diseases, or chasing animals to make them run away from their owner's possession. It is also trespass to kill a dog by giving it poisoned meat. It is immaterial whether the injury is caused by the defendant or by animal belonging to him. Trespass to goods is also actionable per se without proof of damage, but when the plaintiff has suffered no loss, he will be awarded only a nominal damage. So now we'll discuss the very two forms of trespass. That is first one regarding theft and robbery, and the second one by killing or injuring animal. So trespass to goods may assume either of two forms. One is taking the thing away from the plaintiff's possession. This would amount to crime of theft if a dishonest intent was present, and to robbery if it was forcible. And the second form, direct application of force, for example, killing or injuring an animal or defacing a work of art. Damage is not essential, and even the slightest application of force, like touching, is wrongful. The wrong may be committed unintentionally or negligently, small time, or even by an honest mistake. So, these are the two forms by which trespass to goods caused, and this is actionable per se